Hey guys, and welcome to Smart Financing channel. Today I want to tell you how to invest your money in financial markets. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up and subscribe us for more videos. Stay with us.
As we all know, we can invest our money in some categories. For example, here we can invest our money in a stock market like US or Canada stock market. Or for example, we can invest in Forex trading. And the last opportunity here is investing in option trading. So let's dive into each category and learn how to invest our money. So imagine we have $100,000 in total assets. We should always keep 20% in cash. We should invest 70% in the stock market, and only we should invest 5% in Forex and 5% in option. With 70% that we want to invest in a stock market, we should follow the following two simple steps. First, 80% of this should invest in big companies like Apple, Amazon, etc., with market cap over $300 billion. And the rest, 20%, should invest in small companies with high potential growth. Doing like that can help us to maximize our gains. With 20% that we mentioned earlier, we should do like that. 50% of this money, so it is equal to $7,000, should invest on companies with market cap between $100 billion and $300 billion. 25% of this money, that is equal to $3,500, should invest on companies with market cap between $20 billion to $100 billion. So, in continue, we should invest 15% of this money, that is equal to $2,100. We should invest on companies with market cap between $1 billion to $20 billion. And lastly, with only 10%, that it is equal to $1,400 in this example, we should invest on companies with market cap under $1 billion. Now it's time to talk about Forex and option trading. As we mentioned before, we just only use 10% of our equity to invest on options and Forex trading. For our example, it is equal to $10,000 in total, $5,000 each. Now the key point here is that when we start trading in Forex, we should be careful about our free margin. At the beginning, we only use 20% of our margin for our trades. Meanwhile, when we get profit from our trades, half of that profit should get out from the Forex account and put them in our stock account. And respect this rule all the time. And when in worst case scenario, if we miss all our money in Forex trading, we don't have permission to add money to our account. Only when we are in profit in our stock account, we can add 10% of that profit to our Forex account for more trades. We should follow exactly this rule for our option trading, exactly the same. Here for option trading, we should use 50% of our money for long-term options with over 1 year expiration date. 30% of our money, that is equal to $1,500, we should invest this amount on option with midterm expiration date, which is equal to between 6 months to 1 year. And 10% that is equal to $500 should invest on short-term options, which is between 1 month to 6 months expiration date. And lastly, the 10% that is equal to $500, we should spend this amount of money on very short-term options, which is between 1 day to 1 month expiration dates. If we respect and follow these strategies in our trades, we can live better without stress, and we can always make money from financial markets, and we can think about our future careers as a smart trader. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe us for more videos.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.